We are underground 3D. Do you ever feel like your skies are just meh? You've got amazing models, detailed textures, and realistic lighting. But then the sky, it's just flat and lifeless, right? So what if I told you you can now have a sky that moves, change colors and reacts to the time of day. A sky that fits perfectly with your scene, no matter what. And guess what? You don't need to be a water expert to make it happen. I'm talking about an add-on that brings life to your scene. Let me introduce you to the True Sky add-on. So guys, why is True Sky the real game changer? Dynamic skies. Forget about the static HDRIs. With True Sky, you get a sky that changes in real time, based on the time of day and weather settings. Volumetric clouds. Fluffy clouds that move and shape target the day. No more flat, boring skies. Real-time adjustments. Want a sunset in the middle of your animation? Just slide and control room. Boom, instant change. Imagine working on a scene and suddenly having your sky change automatically to match the time of day. It's that easy. So guys, let's get started. So for first, you must download add-on file. For example, you can go to Telegram desktop and go to my channel and download this file, True Sky Underground 3D. After download this file, you must drag file in desktop. Now we have this add-on. So you must extract file, for example, in this place, desktop. Extract here. Password is 4575. So now you have extract file and go to Blender. After open Blender, go to edit, preference, install and select add-on file. This file and active add-on. So press N and select True Sky. Activate the add-on and add the dynamic sky system to your scene. So easy, it's that easy. Now your scene just went from basic to extremity in a matter of seconds. Use option for better view. Love viewer. We can custom sky. For night, you must go to this option and sky system and So there have it. True Sky takes your Blender seconds to next level by providing you with a dynamic sky system that's realistic, customizable, and completely in control. What do you think about this add-on, my friend? Drop a comment below and let me know if you are try it out. Like this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Blender tips, tricks. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.